Now to the seismic shift in federal abortion rights. The U.S. Supreme Court today overturned Roe v. Wade, the landmark ruling that's been in place nearly 50 years. And abortion bans are already in place tonight as a result in a number of states. Abortion rights advocates and opponents gathered outside the Supreme Court pretty much all day and night. And we have team coverage on the ruling and reaction in Chicago. CBS 2's Marissa Perlman spoke with members of the LGBTQ community, worried that the courts will reconsider same-sex marriage next. But we start with Charlie DeMar, who followed protesters marching in the city today. And Charlie, there were a lot of them.
And Joe, good evening. Yeah, thousands by some estimates. And here in Federal Plaza really was this place where you're able to get a sense of how people here in Chicago and across the state feel about the Supreme Court's decision. I had the chance to speak to people on both sides of this divisive issue. The word that kept coming up was stunned, but obviously for very different reasons. Tonight, frustration in Federal Plaza.
I just can't believe that we are going back in time.
Thousands there in protest of the Supreme Court's decision, which now leaves abortion rights in the hands of each state. Access to abortions in Illinois are currently protected.
I myself have had personal issues with abortion and Plan B, and my life would be completely different if I had children.
This can hardly be happening in our country. It's not our country anymore.
When abortion rights are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
From Federal Plaza to the streets, a sea of signs and marchers took over parts of the Loop Friday night.
Women are not incubators!
It's just a real blow to women and freedom.
I think we're all still kind of stunned.
Hours earlier, also at Federal Plaza, the Supreme Court's decision was celebrated by anti-abortion advocates.
We are celebrating this as a pro-life movement. We're celebrating this especially as an activist movement.
And I never really imagined that we would abolish abortion in our lifetime, but I always had that hope.
We are absolutely overjoyed.
The weight of the day clear on Emma's face. She disagrees with the Supreme Court's decision, but tried finding a middle ground.
I really do try to hear out other people's perspectives, but I just couldn't help but get emotional because it hurts my heart so much.
While the polarizing issue of abortion access took a turn for the first time in nearly 50 years, the debate is sure to march on. A lot of emotion today, and while at times people on both sides of the issue came face to face here at Federal Plaza, from what we saw, these protests were by and large very peaceful. We are live tonight from Federal Plaza. Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Joe?
Charlie, thank you. Several dozen protesters holding signs lined the streets today in Naperville. Chopper 2 over the scene this evening at Washington Street and Aurora Avenue.